Hello everyone, let me show you a life-changing magnifier feature on Samsung phone, which I have already started to use. This magnifier feature enable a legally blind individual or low vision individual to see our surrounding clearly, almost like a sighted user. In my opinion, this magnifier feature is by far greater than a standard prescription glass. I have just admired by this feature. So without any ado, let's get started. Let's go to setting. Let's go to setting, then scroll down to accessibility. Here is accessibility. Then here is vision enhancement. Go to vision enhancement. Then here is magnifier option, not magnification, but under it there is magnifier. Then we should make a shortcut. We should turn on. I have already turned it on. Let me turn off it and turn on it. For the first time, when you turn on it, it will ask you which shortcut to use. For starting the magnifier feature, there are options. For me, I want to use the shortcut key, which means side key and volume up key. Pressing side key and volume up key. I have already choose this option. Then let us now press the shortcut key we have already choose. Let me press side key and shortcut key. Yes, now I should turn on my flashlight because I am recording at night now. Yes. For the first time, when you press the shortcut key that you choose, just press OK for enabling an accessibility shortcut. Okay, now the camera is turned on when we press the shortcut key that we have assigned, and there is a slider to zoom in or zoom out. This is the zoom in and the zoom out area. We can choose the size as we want. For me, it has a great difference between my naked eye and when I use this magnifier feature. I am actually a legally blind individual, but when I use this magnifier, I actually I am just like almost near to sighted user. So I am zooming in, zooming out for showing to you how it is super great. It clearly shows me the keyboard letter keys that I am watching now. So it has very powerful magnification power, and it is useful for a low vision individual. I recommend any low vision individual to use this feature. Thank you for watching. I am Aschalo.